Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the best random orbital sanders for achieving smooth professional finishes on your woodworking or DIY projects. Whether you're refinishing furniture, sanding floors, or tackling detailed tasks, these tools offer precision, efficiency, and ease of use. We'll review the top models, their standout features, and why they're essential for your workshop. All product links are in the description below. If you're ready to take your sanding game to the next level, let's get started. Number 5. MAXXT Brushless Orbital Sander. When it comes to achieving professional quality finishes in woodworking, the MAXXT Brushless Orbital Sander 150mm 6-inch is a game changer. This tool is packed with features that cater to both beginners and seasoned professionals, making it a standout choice in the world of power sanders. Power meets innovation. At the heart of this sander is its brushless EC motor technology, delivering an impressive 350W of power. This innovation not only ensures durability, but also significantly reduces vibrations, giving you a smoother and more consistent sanding experience. Whether you're working on delicate furniture or robust flooring, this sander provides the reliability and power you need. Precision control. One of the most compelling features is its 6 variable speed settings ranging from 4000 to 10,000 RPM. Number 4. Festool ETS125 REQ-Plus Orbital Sander. When it comes to precision, comfort, and efficiency, the Festool ETS125 REQ-Plus Random Orbital Sander sets a new standard. Designed with both professional woodworkers and dedicated DIY enthusiasts in mind, this tool is built to deliver flawless results while prioritizing user comfort and convenience. Ergonomic excellence. One of the standout features of the ETS125 is its ergonomically designed body, crafted to fit comfortably in any hand size. Whether you're tackling overhead or vertical sanding tasks, this compact and lightweight sander minimizes fatigue, making it ideal for extended use. Say goodbye to hand strain and hello to seamless operation. Customizable speed control. The sander features stepless variable speed control, allowing you to adjust the speed to suit the task at hand. Whether you're working on a delicate surface or a demanding project, this feature ensures precision and adaptability. Number 3. Fendo Electric Random Orbital Sander. The Fendo Electric Random Orbital Sander brings efficiency and innovation to your sanding projects, whether you're working on woodworking, car detailing, drywall, or polishing. With a 350W brushless motor and a range of user-friendly features, this sander promises high performance and comfort in one compact tool. Instant stop for safety and control. One of the most impressive features of the Fendo sander is its instant stop function. When the handle is released, the tool halts rotation immediately, which not only reduces noise and vibration, but also extends the lifespan of the sander by preventing unnecessary wear. This feature adds a layer of safety and control. Number 2. Milwaukee Electric Tools 2648 to 20M18 Random Orbit Sander. The Milwaukee 2648 to 20M18 Random Orbit Sander is a compact, high-performance tool designed to deliver smooth sanding results with the convenience of cordless operation. Perfect for both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts, this sander combines the power of the M18 battery system with the reliability Milwaukee is known for. Cordless convenience with M18 power. At the core of the M18 Random Orbit Sander is its 18-volt battery. Number 1. Dewalt DCW210B20V Max Orbital Sander. When it comes to power tools, Dewalt is a name that's synonymous with durability and performance, and the DCW210B20V Max Orbital Sander is no exception. Designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, this sander offers an efficient and smooth sanding experience, powered by a brushless motor that ensures long-lasting performance. Brushless motor for maximum efficiency. The standout feature of the Dewalt DCW210B is its brushless motor, which provides impressive runtime and efficiency. This means you can tackle more sanding tasks without worrying about battery life, all while enjoying a quieter, more reliable motor that requires less maintenance than traditional brush models. Variable speed control. With variable speed control ranging from 8,000 to 12,000 OPM, the sander gives you complete control over the sanding process.
Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.